Alright, so you heard about a SCORM in my presentation, but you're not really sure what it is. SCORM stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. Um, if you think about how things work, for example, let's take your VCR or your DVD player. You go out and you get a DVD. Do you really have to think about what type of program that DVD is written in? Not really. DVDs will play on a Panasonic, they're going to play on a Sony, they're going to play on anything because there's a standard language that's shared by all DVD manufacturers. Same is true for content management systems like WebCT or Angel, and a SCORM is the standard language that's written. Now, let me show you what a SCORM does. I'm in WebCT in one of my classes, and I click on SCORM. I've got SCORM modules that I've designed. For example, my students are currently doing this right here, which is Teachers with Accents. Now what it is, it's a module, and if you look at it, it looks like any other web page. It's a little bit different though because I can add things in. I use soft chalk to design this, but one of the benefits is that I can actually add in rollovers to help students through concepts. I can also embed videos. For example, I got a feed there from a video. I've got handouts over here that students can link to. But another thing that's nice is that I can actually embed quiz questions. Now, students are supposed to read what is above and watch that video, and then they're supposed to answer this quiz question. And one of the neat things is if they do ask that quiz question and they do answer it correctly, you'll notice that it tells them, hey, you got 1 out of 3 right, which means as they're working through this activity and reading what I've asked them to read and watching what I've asked them to watch, it's interacting with them. But one of the neat things is because it's SCORM and it's embedded in WebCT, I know that they're interacting with what I've given them. And this grade, if you will, this interactive grade or participation grade goes directly into their grade book without a teacher having to do anything. The module can be developed and shared with all teachers. In other words, you could create one course and share it with everybody, and the work is already done. And so I hope that makes sense. SCORM is what allows you to embed these and then make it interface with your content management system. All right, I hope that helps.